Hi, this is Jack, and today we're going to be having a look at the Octopus Pro lead capture form that is integrated with the admin portal and Octopus Pro account to get leads and more information from your clients directly from your website. So what I've got up here, as you can see, is a lead form widget. Now, this widget you can embed into your own business website, and you can put it on any page, and basically this is going to funnel leads directly as new inquiries into the Octopus Pro software, which is one of the sections which you can see once we jump back into. You'll see that towards the top left is new inquiries. Now, as you can see here, this is a tile cleaning business that uses our software. We've just set them up for the video today, but essentially you've got a list here of services that they provide. Now, those services are the ones that are directly linked in the software, and those that get updated as they get changed in the software and are populating here. So that means that your customers can already be clicking on which service they want, and then you can ask for more information based on that service. So we've got two custom fields that they've got here: area size and the nature of the service. So to see this information and change the settings, we're just going to go to settings, then communications, and then lead capture form here. Once you click on the lead capture form, you'll be brought to this page, and essentially there are a few tabs, but as you can already see, the widget title, quick quote, and get quote, those were the title texts that were coming up and the button text that was coming up on that form that we were literally just looking at. This section here is the custom CSS. If you wanted to add any custom coding or get any more information, you could reach out to us if you like. Otherwise, if you have a tech team, that's somewhere that they can insert that. However, it isn't necessary. As you can see here, we're looking at the fields that you can include, and there's a long list, both with visible and mandatory toggles, which allows full customization, depending obviously on what you need to get from your customers. If we take it down a little bit further, you can see a little bit of a preview with some more settings down here as well. This really just requires you to go through step by step and change and modify as you need. The beauty of this form really is how much you can change it. And then to embed it, as you can see down here, this section takes you through step by step exactly how to embed the form on your website. There are 3 sections of code that you need to copy and paste across, and that's as simple as it is. If you need any help with that, or you need any further assistance with setting up your account, feel free to reach out to us as needed. So we're just going to jump over to the second tab at the top on the same page, which is custom fields. Now, there weren't any added onto here. However, if you wanted to, for any sort of information that you wanted, that you needed, you can select to add one of the custom fields that you want at the very front on this lead form. So for every service, you can set up custom fields to have for the area size, for instance, or for any of these questions that we can see that have come up here. If I then added that at this stage, that means that when the customer's actually putting the lead in the first place, they have to answer that question as well. So if there was anything broad and general that was not service specific, you could have put that on there. But now we're coming over to the period section. Now, as you saw in that previous widget, they can click on when they need the work done. And so this is a list of those options that you can add to if you want to. And now this last section is banned IPs. Now this is a security measure which allows you to be able to enter any IPs that perhaps are disrupting or perhaps like spamming, for instance, the lead form. If you wanted to, that's an added security measure that you can use so that you can ban that IP from visiting and making entries into the lead capture form. That covers everything for today in terms of the lead capture form. If there are any other questions or you need any more help, please don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Thanks so much.